Okay, let's look at homework 5.2, number 7. Right, so we want to evaluate this integral using simple power rule and using general power rule. Right, so let's use the simple power rule first. Right, to apply simple power rule, we need to multiply this out. So this is going to be equal to, right, 3 squared would be 9, and negative 2 times 3 times x, so negative 6x plus x squared. Right? So if you multiply out, you get that. Then we apply simple power rule. So antiderivative of 9 would be 9x. Right? Negative 6 is just a constant. So antiderivative of x is x squared over 2 plus antiderivative of x squared would be x cubed, and then over 3. Right? Then you have plus some constant c. Right? Then you can probably rearrange and clean up a bit. 6 and 2 cancel out, and you have 3 left here. So we get x cubed over 3 minus, so that takes care of this term, minus 3x squared, that'll take care of the second term, plus 9x plus c. Right? So that's the antiderivative. That's the result of the integral. Right? Now we can use evaluate this integral using general power rule. Right? So to make our lives a little bit easier, I'm going to use this. Okay, so if you have 3 minus x squared, it is the same thing as x minus 3 squared. I basically multiply the inside expression by -1, but since it gets squared, it doesn't really matter. So as 3 minus x squared is exactly the same as x minus 3 squared, right? Dx. Right? Then in this case, inside function is x minus 3. So the derivative is going to be 1. So I'm going to just squeeze and multiply by, say, 1 here, so that it fits the form. Right? So using the general power rule, right, we have to keep the quantity x minus 3, right, and raise it to the add 1 to the power, so it's 3, and divided by 3, then you have plus c. Right? Then if you multiply out, you will get, so you have a big fraction, right? You have 3, right? So x cubed, so x cubed, right? So minus 3 times 3, so minus 9 x squared, right? And plus 27 x minus 3 cubed is 27, right? Plus c, right? Then you will have this. So if you simplify that or split into parts, so x cubed over 3, so you have x cubed over 3, which is the same term as the other one, and a negative 9x squared over 3 would be negative 3x squared, plus 27x divided by 3 would be 9x, right? Then negative 27 over 3 is negative 9 plus c, right? So that's what you get using the general power rule, right? So you can see that we got that correctly, and we got this one correctly as well. right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.